So normally when somebody wants to do distance healing, like many times people call for distance healing. So if the person is not known to us, then we ask them for the photograph. If we are known, then we don't need the photograph,
Okay.
right? So I don't know many people, like, people read my articles or they read my book and they call me
And
for
then,
Reiki healing. So I don't know them personally, right? So I need their photograph, I need their full name, I need to know which location they are. So then accordingly, then I can do. I need to know what their problem is, okay, what their goal is. Okay, so according
hmm.
to that, I can do the distance healing. So now in the second level, you can do distance healing for all different types of issues. You can do healing for physical health issues. You can do healing for mental, emotional issues. You can also do healing for relationship. If, let's say, for example, there is a husband wife, there is a fight between them. They are not talking to each other. You know, so even in such cases, like not last month, I think this month only, sorry, last month, uh, there's a couple. So the wife requested for healing. Now both are like somewhere deep, there is a love between them, but they stopped communicating. There was a lot of fights happening. So they're staying separately and all those things. Then the moment the healing started, they will notice changes, right? So uh, you can take feedback from them. So they started to meet again. They've like every week almost they are meeting now. Things are better. They are in talking terms now, and things like that. So things keep on improving over a period of time. Somebody is in depression, you will see that the person will feel more energetic, more optimistic, and pro life, this kind of thing. So you will ask them, okay, how are you feeling, how is your day, and what is the predominant emotion, how are you feeling? So they will say that, I'm feeling more positive, I'm feeling more energy. Earlier I could not, I did not feel like doing anything. Now I'm doing something. That kind of changes happen. So
Okay.
you can make people sit also. The only thing is that then you will have to fix up a time, and then you can do and that way also. But it doesn't matter actually, because you are in a different time zone. You can do healing anytime. It's not a
So whatever
physical level healing.
she's traveling, she's right now in the
Doesn't matter.
train, or does not matter.
Does not
Or
matter.
even if she's aware or not aware, I am
Yeah,
doing
first,
Reiki.
no, no, no. First, of course, we tell them that we are doing Reiki, and if they don't know, we tell them, okay, Reiki is a universal energy, ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति है ना? So, in simple terms, you can tell them it's God's energy also, you can say, right? So they can understand this, and many people know about it. So you can just say, okay, I've learned Reiki. They know Reiki. Many people have read articles or
Yeah,
books or about Reiki, or
yeah,
uh,
it's quite
so
popular.
many
Yeah.
people are aware of it. So you can just tell them, okay, fine, this is what it is. I'm doing Reiki. I have completed Reiki level 2. Now I can do healing. So since you have these issues, so I was thinking I will do Reiki. I will do morning and evening and this time. If you want to sit, you can sit. If you are busy, you can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. But please give me feedback. You can tell them.
Feedback.
Yeah, because then according to the feedback, then you can, like,
You can know if it's working or not
yes,
working.
yes, yeah. So
And the time, how
time.
much
How much
duration?
duration is normally it will take 15-20 minutes for one healing session.
Okay.
Yeah, so that much is enough. And you can, if you want, you can do it 2 times a day and over a period of time. So consistently just uh, do it for 7 days, or do it for 11 days, or or 21 days, for things which have been for a long time, you need to
For
do
long time.
21 days,
Hmm.
then maybe you can do one more 21 days, or like that you can
Hmm.
do
Hmm.
sets of 21 days and see how is the
Hmm.
over a period of time, lots of changes happen, miraculous things happen. So, and during this process, because as you're learning, so you can also share your experience, you can ask questions. So I will guide you accordingly, right?
Okay.